And my name is Junaid and you are watching my channel Junaid Production. In this video I am going to unbox M10 adapter. Now let's get started. Friends, there is an M10 adapter I bought from Jal.pk. Now let's open this. Friends, there is M10 adapter. Friends, there is thickness 5mm thickness, specially designed for 775 DC motor. Friends, there is 775 DC motor. So friends, there is M10 adapter unboxing. I hope you will enjoy this video. So thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Have a great day.